Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this video, I'll be buzzbait bass fishing with the Megabass V-4 prop buzzbait. Let's check it out. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! At that one. Hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Want to welcome you to the next video here. In this video, I'm going to be buzzbait bass fishing with the Megabass V-4 prop buzzbait. Now, over the last year, I haven't done a lot of buzzbait fishing because some of the lures I've not always been a fan of. To me, they sometimes are a little bit too aggressive, but I have started to find some lures that really are a little bit more on the subtle finesse side. And this was one that I discovered through the Hookup Tackle, their actual website. And the guy talked about it, and he said this one is a much more subtle, more finesse type of buzzbait that the bass can key on and not be so disrupted or bothered by the loudness of most buzzbaits. So what I want to do right now is we're going to go ahead and do our closer review of this lure, and then I'll come back and give you my thoughts. Okay. All right, everybody. Here is the Megabass Buzz Twin prop. The actual color is Wagasagi. The actual weight of the lure is 5 16 ounces. This is actually a what they call a finesse buzz bait. So it's actually quiet and it's basically built to be reeled on a slow retrieve. I'm using a bait caster to actually retrieve on mine. And as you can see, look where the eyes are on this buzz bait. This is looking down versus being sideways, looking out left to right. It's looking down below. And because it's looking down below, it allows for this eye to make eye contact with anything below it, which also is another way to trigger the bass. And then also the hook is actually quite elevated up to create a much more solid hook set and hook lock. So what I wanted to do was give everybody just a closer look at this lure and its design. Also, I'll show you something else here. As you can see, it's got the double props, as you can see in the front here. They're plastic and they're quiet. As you can see, this is the eye right here that's looking down, and then it's on the other side looking down as well. And as you can see, this lure is, the hook actually is tilted up rather high so that once they hit, you really do get a powerful hook set. So there is your closer look at the Megabass V-4 Buzz Bait Twin Prop. All right. Okay, we're back. I want to just welcome everybody back here. So that gives you a chance to look at a closer look of the actual buzz bait there. A couple of things that I just want to show everybody here real quick. Like I've had buzz baits in the past that I've used, but just haven't had a lot of success with. But I want to show you what the normal buzz baits look like. Like a lot of normal buzz baits, as you're going to see, they've got a big flapper right here. You can put a trailer on the back. As you can see there, I've got a stinger hook that's actually on the back here. And this is what normally people are throwing. And it makes a lot of noise and a lot of ruckus. And at times of the year, I'm sure the bass key on this one. Also, I got another one here that I got a while back. And as you can see, it even has a clacker on it. So this little clacker, as it goes across, this thing is clacking. And it's making a lot of noise right here when it goes across the water as well. And I've had these, but not had a lot of success. In the video you're going to watch here, I'm actually putting in work with this one right here, having a lot of success with it. As I said before, this lure right here is a much more finesse type lure. Don't even need a actual trailer hook on the back of it. As you can see, there's an eye right here. So when this one is going across the water, that eye is looking down. So if the bass are keying on it, they can see an eye and they have something to key on. As you can remember, And most buzz baits, they've got those metal clackers. These are plastic. So because they're plastic, they make less noise, but they're still vibrating and creating attraction on it as well. So, and as you can see, this is a really strong and stout hook right here. So this is what I was using here. Got this for the hookup tackle for $15.99 at the hookup tackle. It's more quiet and it's a slow retrieve. So you're not reeling real fast, but more of a slower retrieve because you can get closer to the cover of where those fish are. And this to me is what makes this such a powerful lure. Now the hookup tackle has come out with another one here called the Megabass Jamaica Boa. Now they came out with that one after this one right here, but this is one of their most popular Megabass buzz baits. And so I really like this one right here. Also, for those that would like to know, I am actually fishing. In the video you'll see I'll be fishing it on 12-pound actual mono here and on a bait caster, Abu Garcia. This is probably 6-to-1 ratio. And I'm actually fishing it on lighter line right here because the lure itself is pretty light. The rod is one of the what they call Skeet Reeves. So this is one of Skeet Reeves' models right here. This is a 7-foot rod right here. And so this is what I'm throwing it on, as you'll see in the video. Also in the video, you'll be able to see me do some testing. So in the beginning of the videos, you'll see me do a little bit of testing on it, just so you can see it on the water, what it sounds like, moves like. Then you'll see the video of me actually going in and fishing with it as well. So that's the things that I wanted to share with you guys as well. Please be sure to leave comments, likes, subscribe, because once again, we're doing the giveaway. And in order to be able to win the giveaway, you've got to definitely be a part of the text alert. So remember that, 31996, and the message Topwater, that gets you on the text alert, but also gets you registered for the giveaway that I'm currently doing. Probably next week is when we'll go into the phase of announcing the winner of the award, of the actual lures itself. But I want to give people time to check out videos and be a part of my community right here. Once again, like I said before, I'm really grateful to each and every one of you guys for being a part of this journey right here. So we're not going to waste any more time. We're going to jump right into the video, and you'll get a chance to watch in action the Megabass V-4 prop buzzbait. So let's go ahead and get on the water. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. We are at the lake today, and we are going to be fishing with the Megabass V-4 buzzbait. And we're going to see if we can get a buzz out of this buzzbait today. So I'm going to show it to you on the water, so you'll get to see it being tested in some clips, and then you're going to see me putting it in work. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. Megabass V-4 right here, double blades. All right, see what it does. So, all right. Definitely has a lot of smooth action to it. You can hear the buzzing. You can hear the buzzing with it, but it's a much smoother buzz bait. I think that people will really enjoy. Yeah, I think you'll enjoy that. Like I said, it's a lot lighter. It's double, but it has a good feel to it when you're actually throwing it here. So I cannot complain about this V-4 right here. Let's do it one. Do it again. Get it out there. Start reeling it. And this is one that definitely you'll want to bring this around cover. It could go open water, absolutely, but the level of finesse with this one right here and how it sounds, it definitely is designed to go right by a lot of cover, so that you can so I can draw those fish out. And they'll definitely notice it. Okay. Bring that in here again. As you can see it right there. So, and as you can see, I don't even have a trailer on the end of it. I mean, you could put a trailer on it as well, but the way this thing moves and handles, you probably wouldn't even need a trailer. It has great sound, great movement, and I'm really impressed with this one here for sure. And I'm glad I made the investment in a Buzzbait because I didn't have one that I really felt good about. So I'm glad I went ahead and got this one right here. So I would definitely say this is a good one here for you, for everybody to be thinking about. Is when you think about adding a Buzzbait, add this Megabass V-4 to your collection because I really think it won't let you down. And you could definitely add a trailer on the back. Notice how the back end of the hook is raised up for great hook sets. All right then, so okay. There we go. On the Buzz, on the V-4. On that V-4. All right. I don't know what's going on. Woo! Not sure what happened there. But look at that, everybody. Buzzbait. Buzzbait right there. That Megabass V-4 just put in work. There it is, everybody. That Megabass V-4 Buzzbait. That's actually my first Buzzbait of the year. So I'm pretty excited about this one. All right. Everybody's Topwater Johnny. I got this one on that Megabass V-4. Hey, you got to keep my rules up, man. Keep your line tight. Because when they hit those Topwater lures, especially that Buzzbait's going to be a big bite. And my line was not tight on my drag. And I was struggling to get this one in. But he hit that V-4. The V-4 held strong. And let me get some better light here. And that's a testimony to the strength of that lure. Because my line was loose and I was struggling. And I was still able to get that fish because he was locked in tight on that hook. So I'm really happy because that hook is kind of offset and raised up. So he couldn't get off. So it's just great. First Buzzbait of the year. Pretty excited. All right. There it is. The Megabass on that V-4 Buzzbait. All right. There we go. Another one. Oh, God, missed him. Missed him. Just all he did was thump it. Man, missed that one. There we go. There we go. There we go, everybody. That was a slow hit. Oh. Oh. Woo. That V-4. That V-4 did it again. Whew, man. Putting in work. Megabass V-4. Buzzbait. He took that one down nice and slow. Totally committed to it. There it is right there. All right. All right, here we go. On that V-4 Buzzbait. This one took it down nice and slow, but we got him. That was nice. All right then, so we putting in some work on it. Okay, I think it's proven that this Buzzbait does work. It does work. All right. All right. Here's our next one right here on that V4. The next one, got it right here, nice and good. All right. Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny here. Hope you enjoyed this video here. In this video, I was fishing with that Megabass V-4 buzzbait. That's a prop. That's kind of a finesse type of buzzbait. So it was something a little different for me. Haven't done much buzzbait fishing over the last year or so, but once I saw this one being featured at the hookup tackle, I had to go get it because I thought, well, maybe this one will create the effect that I really want from my topwater fishing. And it really did. You know, we saw me catch a few, saw me miss one, saw me got to keep my line tight, and my drag was off on my baitcaster and it kind of got messed up, but we still got the fish in, so no complaints there. Once again, as always, please like, subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to hit the text notification because the text notification keeps you alerted when we are doing things. So once again, that's 31996 and the word Topwater. That will let you know when the giveaways are going on and who's winning and what. So make sure you do that as well. But I also want you to always remember that phrase. And that phrase as always is, keep your line tight. Because when they hit those topwater lures, especially that Megabass V4, it's gonna be a big bite. All right.